just the dancing head rocking. Oh. Welcome back to a new episode of Laughing Tales, where we laugh at hilarious animal antics. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment below your favorite clip, and go check out the creators, which will be listed below. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. How did those cats get into all that popcorn? Oh my goodness. Or whatever it's called. Oh, the bum wiggle. Oh, look at that cat. Oh, the tail. Oh, the run. Oh, look at them just walking together. Kitty love? Oh. What are they doing? Oh. Oh, let me get you. That's cute. Okay, on to number 2. Okay, on to the second. On to the second one. Here we go. Oh my goodness, just face squished right in. Oh, it just fits perfectly. He's sleeping like a baby. Just chilling. Oh, just everything fell, so I'm just gonna stay here. Oh, someone should go pick up that baby. Go. Oh, just defeating the sleep, are we? Oh, just what happened? Stop. Found a spot. That's awesome. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, on to number 3. Here we go. Oh. The cat's so excited for the snow. Oh, I've never actually seen cats so excited for snow before. Oh, look at that little baby. Oh, snowball. Oh, that scared me. Oh. Oh. Just let me get that. His first time playing in snow. I can't tell if he likes it or hates it. Oh, this is mine. So cute. Okay, and we're on to the last one. Okay, here we go, on to the last one. Oh, just the dancing head rocking. Oh, just so cute. Oh, someone's holding the cat, right? There's that cat again with the tip. Oh. It's like ready to karate. Oh, the butt. So cute. Oh. Whatever you're doing there, dancing, bouncing, kneading. So cute. Oh, look at them. They're so I like the paw. It's adorable. Oh, and again. Oh, cute. That's all they get for a kennel. I think they should have more room than what they get. Okay, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. That's it for me. Please go check out those creators, and you have a wonderful rest of your day.